Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll show you guys how to properly uninstall OpenClaw from your laptop. In last video, I've shown you guys how to install OpenClaw using a free method and the paid method. But in this video, I'll show you how to uninstall. Maybe you have installed it properly or you were concerned about the security of your laptop because it has all of the right access and it can mess up with your laptop. So if you want to uninstall OpenClaw properly, make sure to watch the complete video. Okay, so as you can see, I have already installed it and now I'm going to start the install process. And for that, you will have to go to docs.openclaw.ai/install/uninstall. I'm going to add the URL in the description so you don't have to find it from the documentation, because if you go to documentation, you'll first go to docs.openclaw.ai, then you will click on install and then you will click on uninstall. Now, there are two methods to uninstall OpenClaw. The first method is this one, where you're going to simply type in OpenClaw uninstall, but there might be some folders which kind of leave behind. So first, you'll have to do this manual steps from these commands mentioned here. So the first command is to OpenClaw gateway stop. I'm going to copy this command, add it to my terminal, hit enter, and here you can see that it has stopped the gateway. And now next step is to uninstall the gateway, which is giving it the gateway to my laptop. So I have first stopped the service. Now I'm going to uninstall that service. Again, copy this command, go back to the terminal, paste the command and hit enter. And here you go. You can see that it has moved the launch agent to trash. Perfect. Let's move on to the next step, where we will be deleting the folder. So that is the folder where you will find all of the OpenClaw files we need to remove. So RM stands for remove and -rf is for removing all of the folders within that folder, right? So we're going to simply copy this command from doc, go back to terminal, paste the command, hit enter. And we should be good to go with this last command, where we will be deleting our workspace as well. Now, again, that's the fourth step. And here I'm going to copy this command from doc, go back to the terminal, paste that command and hit enter. Okay, now we have this showing up where we can see that these are the three commands. Now, if you have used Node.js, you will need to add in this command. In my video of installation, I told you guys to install Node. So we will be using this command here. So I'm simply going to copy this command and paste this command. Optionally, you can copy this from here and use these three. So whatever is applicable to your laptop gonna run, right? So I'm simply gonna hit enter. And here you go. You can see that remove 710 packages in 2 seconds. That's what you should see once the uninstallation of OpenClaw is completed. And here you can see that we have this macOS app. So if you have downloaded the macOS app, you can do that. I haven't done that, so I'm going to skip that part. And that's it for this video, guys. Let me know in the comments below if you were having any issues or any error uninstalling the OpenClaw. That's it for this video. Until next video, have a great day.